Meaning of impermeable.
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 Impermeable. The term impermeable refers to something that is incapable of being penetrated, crossed, or passed through by any substance or liquid. The object or material possessing this trait is completely resistant to the flow or leakage of fluids and gases. Impermeable substances can be advantageous in a range of applications, from waterproof clothing to barriers for chemical spills. This quality is often achieved through the use of specialized coatings, treatments, and structural design. Overall, impermeable objects provide a formidable obstacle for liquids and gases attempting to enter or exit designated areas.